All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the GT model. This beautiful white with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering controls, navigation, roof racks, backup camera, heated front and rear seats, alloy wheels, fog lights. Super nice. Best of all, minimum damage around the body, has only 20,000 miles. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire tread here is just under 7/32, above 4. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks very nice. Here's a rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire tread under 7/32, above 6. Above 4. Nice shot of your roof. No dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump in here. Turn on this vehicle for you. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. Your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. That seems to be working. You got your navigation system right there. Boom. Your backup camera. Pow. AC controls right down below. Heated seats and heated steering wheel on both sides there. Heated steering wheel controls. Showed you. This is, of course, with your instrument cluster. Looks like you see no lights on or any issues. And there's your mileage of 20,833. Turn on the lights. Keeping it moving. Some buttons back here. Opens things up. Of course, here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC controls, rear AC vents, and there you got your heated seats. It's over here too. A little power button closes that. Rear bumper looks pretty decent. Your rear trunk space and what that looks like, very nice. Got a little power button here, and that closes this deck lid. Let's check this out. Looks good. This deck lid, this quarter here, looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this. Your tire tread over 7/32. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Let me see if I can show you guys this. And of course, there's your power stuff right there. Your heated seats. And of course, here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front door, front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Check out your tire tread. And that is under 7/32, above 4. Fog lights are working. All lights are on. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. The GT model with 20,000 miles. If you guys have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding, folks.